New just listed home, 9795 Country Oaks Drive, Fort Myers, Florida by AJ Ackerman from the military veteran team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 1,792 heated square feet offers a peaceful retreat in the desirable Country Oaks community. This home offers a spacious living area with large sliding glass doors, a formal dining area, a breakfast nook, and an updated kitchen with granite counters and custom oak cabinetry. The primary bedroom boasts his and hers closets and a private ensuite bath, while both guest bedrooms offer walk-in closets and share a full bath. Enjoy lake views from the screened pool deck, plus impact windows, new roof, and a 2024 full plumbing upgrade. Ideal as a family residence, it's just steps from 3 Oaks Elementary and minutes from Gulf Coast Town Center. Contact us and make it yours.